Hi everyone, this is Save Create the Heart. I'm excited to share with you guys my return of a swap. So I participated in the Created to Create tea party swap. So we had to make tea themed items and send them to, not really send them, but to send them to Ida Created to Create. And then she went ahead, as they came in order, she would send us 2 swaps back. So I'm super excited to get into this. Now, I know that one of the gals, Sabrina K, she actually received my swap and she said such lovely, lovely, wonderful things. And I want to let her know, she's watching, that I did watch her video and I am going to go back and make a comment when I get a chance. It's been like a super crazy busy week. 3 baseball games this week and back-to-back dance competitions as well as work. And just really kind of a hectic, mentally exhausting week as well. But my work also disables comments. So you're not able to leave a comment on a video if you watch it on a work computer. So my comments were disabled, so I wasn't able to do that. But I am going to do it, and I do appreciate her so much. So anyway, let me get into this. This is how it looks, and it's tied very, very cute with this like elastic sort of twine. And this is from Becky Baker, and her YouTube is Becky Baker. I don't know that I subscribe to you, Becky, but I'm going to have to go check out your channel when I get a chance. And this is how it looks. It's just very cute. I'm going to apologize in advance for any crinkling. This literally just came out of the post office. I didn't drop anything. Let's make sure I didn't drop anything. I think everything looks okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what it looks like. So we're supposed to make some sort of a, pocket of some kind to place our items in. And this is what hers looks like. And she made like an accordion fold pocket, which is very cute. So in the front here, she has this cute little bag or pocket with these cute little tea cut aparts. And this is like a postcard. I'm not sure what paper collection she used. And then on here, she's got a very cute little paper clip. It's like a little tulle flower. I'm going to take everything out. So she's got some cute little fluff in there. And then this must be her dangle. So we're supposed to send a dangle. Very cute. I'm not going to take it off of here right now because I don't want it to fly off and get lost. But very cute. It's got beads and some fun, I don't know what these are, like gems and a tassel. She's got a couple things of black tea, which is actually my favorite. I'm not a big green tea fan. And this is her tag. Isn't that fun? All this tulle. Really fun little tag. And then here we've got, I'm just going to take this off. You open it up and she's got some more tea in here. A cute little container there. She's got another one. I hope she likes what I sent. And then a couple more tea in here. Very cute. I like to keep everything together so it doesn't fly around in my very messy desk. We had to make a bow, which she has her bow here. I really like this paper she used too. And then she's got like a circle embellishment. A cup of tea warms like a good friend. Got that feeling of crochet there with a crochet trim. Cute. And then we also needed to use a teddy bear. So she's got the teddy bear in a couple of places. Let's see what we have here. So in here, she has, we had to make some bag toppers. So she made these really cute bear bag toppers. They're adorable. This paper reminds me of a Monet's. And then she also actually even included the bag with it, which is just an extra step of fun. And then she's got this cute little wand with a little teddy bear. And then this is like, what do you call these? You know, little scented things that you can hang in your car, your house, cute vanilla. So that is from Becky Baker. And so this must be Sabrina K's. I'm going to guess it's Sabrina's. So she actually found some wrapping paper that's got bears and tea, which is adorable. And I absolutely adore her dangle. So she's got these beads and charms on here. Isn't that cute? Just so pretty. And then she's got cute little clip. I have to be careful that I don't lose that. And so this is Sabrina K. She's the Country Crafter on YouTube. So I hopefully will remember to do this when I post it. But in the description box, I'll put links to both of their channels so that you can go and visit them. I'm actually going to cheat. I'm going to snip because that's the way I roll. And that way I can set this aside so I don't misplace that. And then I'm going to unwrap this so that we can get into her really fun, her little fun swap. So here she made a pocket out of some fun paper. And on the front, she's got like a painted Eiffel Tower and a really fun flower here. And then a teacup that's pretty thick, maybe out of foam. And then, well, maybe this is her dangle. Maybe I got two dangles. I don't know, but I love this. This is so pretty in this pink and this mint. And at the very end right here, it has like a tea saucer. It's really cute. Let's go ahead and pull all the things out. And so here is her tag with her teddy bear. Really fun. And then here are some super sweet bows. I love those little bows. And they're like layered. Really fun. I love that. I like the size because, you know, you kind of get the same size bow, and that one's a different size, which is really fun. And then she's got a magnolia, I think this is Tilda, girl with a teapot. And I really like this floral wreath die that she used. Reminds me a little bit about my favorite heart wreath die that I've been using in everything. And then we had to make some embellishments. So these are super cute. So you've got teacups and a teapot and tea there. Fun. And then her bag toppers. Here are her bag toppers. Really fun. Bag toppers. And then in here we have some little goodies. So she's got some chamomile tea. My daughter loves tea too, so we drink tea together. I love coffee also, so. And this is really cute. It's a shaker. It says, "You're my cup of tea" card and a shaker. And so it's from Sabrina K. And then here she's got a little mini banner kit. She's got some stickabilities, which are very cute, some stickers, and then a really fun, some little tea napkins, really, really cute. So that was my swap. If you want to see what I made for the swap, I do have a, I should put a link to the video that I made that shows my reveal, but also if you go to Sabrina K, she just did a video of the reveal as well of what I made. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Creating the Heart.